They scatter. Hey, did you know? They scatter. Hey, did you know?
What's up, guys? Hey. How's it going? Look at my new Lego. Little Wally. Yeah. Still working on this. Why is this not showing over here? Ah, finally. Okay. closed, that's why. Spacing my guys. There we go. Stay right there. I wanted to check this out, something. I saw this the other day. Streamer bot. Supercharge your live stream. What's this? Add an advanced level of interactivity. Streamer bot. Let's see what it is. My streamer bot. What do I do with it? I see some streamers using this. Maybe it's too early for me, but advanced automation for SCAS integrations, custom scripting. Okay, so I can program into it. That's cool. Okay. So what do I do here? Does it connect to docs? Okay. Let's start it. With streamer bot, the bot is yours. So what's a local bot? Meaning all the connection made directly to your local PC. Any configuration services. Any configuration fundamentals. Fundamentals. Okay. In all cases, it is. Okay, it's important to say fundamental building blocks of creating with streamer bots, their actions, sub-actions, attributes, and events and variables. Guy walk you through each of these concept by actions, sub-actions, actions of these guys. Okay. Act at the backbone of streamer bots as they act at the core and to response for both creating and organizing logical piece of the sub-actions and executing all of that logic at once. Simply put, an action consists of one or more sub-actions and can react to one or more triggers. Okay. Triggers below sub-actions. Okay. Sub-action individual logical pieces of your actions each allow you to perform a wide range of sending messages. Okay, controlling OBS audio. I'm not using OBS, I'm using Streamlabs, but I guess it's similar. Posting message to Discord. Okay, I'm already posting. Plenty TX. Text to speech audio. This is kind of like what Power Software does. Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. I wanna test it out. Can combine as many of these together as you wish to create complex interactivity and or simply use trigger events that occur or something or any of your computer source. They're currently over 350 triggers available, and I guess we can also program some, right? Yeah, but can I use Streamlabs? Yes, I can use with this. That's fine. That's good. Can also use with this. Anybody there? I would love to chat with you people. Come chat with me. Come on. Come on. Don't be shy. I'm trying to start streaming every night. But it's funny because like after I start, it's really easy to keep going, you know? Um, but some days I feel lazy, like I need to start streaming, and I kind of don't really want to. But anyway, you just gotta do it at the end of the day. I really want to get to at least 50 followers. It's one of those things that if I don't have any sort of consistency, I'm never gonna do it, right? But anyway, draw 350 for all triggers available. Oh, okay. Commands, file folder watcher, file IO, groups, edit clear, hotkeys. Oh, yes, Streamlabs. Oh, connector, recording. Yeah, there are very few. OBS, the same. Yeah, but what about the other categories? Okay, I'm a big fan of learning by doing it. So let's try setting this. Oh, this credits. Yeah, but credits, I also have credits. I don't really know how to use it, to be honest. But I know that I also have credits here on. I also have credits on the Streamlabs thing. So yeah, I have follower goal, I have tip jar, blah, 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 credits. Yeah, credits, raw credits at the end of your broadcast. It thanks supporters for tipping, following, subbing, modding, new followers and subscribers. Cheers. Yeah, add source. Hmm. What do I think? This, oh, this is nice. This is not too bad, right? Yeah, but what if, no. But what if I don't want a background? No background. I have a transparency. There's no transparency. On science, text, color, delay. No, I like this. Yeah, I like this stuff, but credits. Yeah, but out of here. How does credits actually work? I'm curious now. Earn and grow. Oh, widgets. Yeah, and credits. Row credits at the end of your broadcast. Thanks support for tipping allowance and yeah. On Twitch. On YouTube. Is it different? Can we test? What if we test? Oh yeah, testing. Thanks. Yay. That's nice. Yeah, I mean the colors, I mean, it's kind of disappearing, right? It's not great. What if I show tutorial? Configure for each platform. All right, let's go back to this guy. So I want to set up. Setup. Credits. In order to use credits, navigate to settings. Settings. Easy credits in here. From there, check the events you want to include. But then, okay, platform switch. Yeah, but now, how do I connect this? I want to connect this. Okay. Oh, get to stream apps. Okay. Navigate. Stream apps. Here. Okay. Right click, add. Labs. Full PC port. Token required. Enter the token from Streamlabs desktop remote control setting. Where is that? Third party application connection to your website. No, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this guy. Then I need this. So I'm not gonna show you guys that, right? So auto connect, reconnect and disconnect. And done. Okay. Why didn't it start? Why didn't done? Why didn't it connect? Connected. Okay. Viewers. Okay, now I can see all my guys over here. Save. Viewers. On Streamlabs it says I have 3 viewers. On Twitch TV says I have 1 viewer. Is it just me? For example, I do have another viewer. So, for example, if I... this is my guy. So... I do have another viewer. So, for example, if I come in here... and I go here... Okay, I interacted. I sent a message. Yeah, but nothing happened here, right? Yeah, I don't know what to event feed. All events. No. don't understand. Do I need to? Yeah, I need to read more about this. Oh, loving memory to my mother. May you rest in peace. That's very sad. Subscribe, no. Yeah, for now, I mean, I don't know. Chat. Yeah, I still need to get more information about this stuff. I'm gonna save this. Let's save this information here. I know I have. Yeah, streamer bot. Here, I'll come back to this later. Yeah. Yeah, I am connected here. Okay, now I'm logged in. I connected to this guy. Streamlabs, viewers, still nothing. Platforms, YouTube. Twitch, Super Apps, integrations, voice control. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't really get how to use. I still need. I need to figure this out. There's like get started, a brief introduction, installation, install, setup. I need to figure this out. Come on, I need to figure this out. Setup your bot. No. Setup. Initial setup. Okay. I already did a bunch of stuff, but it's fine. So okay. So here, go to platforms. Go to Twitch. Go to settings, accounts. I'm not logged in. Okay. Connect your Twitch account to login. No. I don't want to log in. No, you log Yeah, authorize. Okay. So it told me to log in with this bot account. Okay, so the broadcast account zipper. I should have read this first, but now that we're here, let's go, right? As a primary Twitch account where you host a stream, this connection is required. Did anything change? Oh, it changed. Yay! Now that I connected, I do have this guy. Okay, that's good. Monitor, no. Okay, log into your Twitch account, grant permissions. Bot account is an option. Second connection, you wish to send chat message from another account. Log into Twitch account with a secondary account. Grant permissions. No, I don't need a second account. YouTube, let's do the same with YouTube, right? So YouTube, I guess here, account, sign. Ask, I agree. I don't know why I have two, but yeah, let's go with the first one. Let's see what happens. No, I can see this is me. Okay, okay. Enable Alt Connect. Alt Connect. Do I need to enable Alt Connect for this guy? No. Enable Alt Connect. Okay. Username field is read only. Authenticated will display there. Okay. Bot account. Sure. Broadcasters. This. Yeah, navigate to stream apps. Here, already added this guy. Cool. Yeah, on this guy, I would just have to go here to settings, remote control. Let's this, okay. Go add Streamlabs, blah. Okay. Some basic examples of getting started. Okay, let's use some basic examples. I love basic examples. Get a light in my face. My light is terrible. What if I better? Is this better for me? Do I have any effects over here? Oh, no. All right. Okay. Get started with a collection of starter packs for the community. Love it. Starter packs. That's what I want. Click here to download 20. Woo! Yes, download this guy. Save link as SB. Save this. Where are we going to save you? download it, import, click import in StreamerBot. Import. Oh, import string. Drag the file. Okay. Onto this import string. Okay. Ooh. Ultra we can copy and paste. Sure. Click import. Comments are being imported and will be set to disable. Be sure to edit these comments and enable them or set any permissions there. Okay. This is pretty cool. Ta-da. Who are you? We have a new guy. Interesting. Hey, number eight. Number eight. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, thanks for joining. Yeah, I'm learning right now. I'm actually learning how to configure this StreamerBot app here, which is really cool. But when I'm not doing that, I'm actually working on my little game here. My little. For now, I'm working on this. Yeah, trying to configure this guy. So just imported this. Imported all commands. Will be disabled. I don't know if the music is too loud though. I don't know. Love the hat. Oh, thanks. Yeah, believe it or not though, not a lot of people don't know what it is nowadays. It's funny. Like the other, funny story actually. Last year I was at Unite. So I don't know if you're a game developer or not. Unite is the game developer conference for Unity, right? And was in Amsterdam, and it's a big conference, lots of food, everything is basically free, foods and drinks and whatnot, right? And and I was wearing this hat, and I I went to get a coffee or something or a water. I can't remember, but like, and then there was this bartender, this guy, was a kid, was a young kid, really like well suited and pretty kid. But then he looked at me and said, "Oh yeah, nice hat." And I was like, "Oh yeah, thanks." And I thought he knew what he was, but then he was like, "Yeah, but what does it mean?" and then and then I was like, "Ah, yeah, no, well, it's an old video game." And I was like, "Oh yeah, oh, okay." Well, it's just funny because like it's in my mind it's so obvious what it is, right? I mean, I actually had one. I don't know how old you are, but like I actually had an Atari, the old ones with the yeah, and and to think that people nowadays don't even know what it is, it's like crazy to me. But yeah. And yeah, I actually got this hat in the US. I don't live in the US, no, but I got this when I was there. I went to this store and I got two things there. Um uh I got this hat and I got this book which I'm still to finish actually. um got this book called Murder in the Fox Valley, which is just a book on a famous serial killer from the region. Um, I'm really into this stuff, so yeah, so I'm. Well, but yeah, it's dude, it's. I know it hurts to say, but like PS1 release date 1994. So PS1 was actually released, Jesus Christ, 30 years ago. That's depressing. That's depressing. But yeah, it's I think it's a PS is pretty much they release one every 6 or 7 years. I don't know if you um PlayStation release date in order. So every PlayStation. Yeah. So we have the PS1 in 94, PS2 in 2000, PS3 2006, PS4 2013. So yeah, 7 years. Yeah, and then PS5. I think it took more, right? Actually, no, it's 2020. It felt like it took more because I don't know if you remember, this was right mid COVID, so there was a big shortage of PS5s. Nobody could buy it in a lot of places. I live in Europe, so um, you couldn't buy a PS4 if your life depended on it. I actually got my PS4, I think was 2023. No, I meant PS5. Sorry, I got my PS5 in 2023. Um, I mean, at the beginning, I tried to get one, but then I couldn't. Then I pretty much gave up. And then once it became available again. So yeah, so I live in the Netherlands. So nowadays you can just go here. Yeah, so like PS5 nowadays you can just buy it. It's just available. Yeah. But it wasn't always like that. No. But yeah, well, but thanks for joining though. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Yeah. Trying to get used to streaming every night. Again. This was one of my New Year's resolutions. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't really understand what happened. To be honest, I think it was something related to the workforce in China and the factories not able to manufacture the microchips or something. But I don't even know, to be honest. Yeah, it's um. Oh, thanks, and yeah, and feel free to come back. Yeah, but thanks for joining. Thanks, I really appreciate it. All right, so let me keep going on over this stuff. So I click import, I import it. All commands imported with as imported commands. Save. That's why they're all red. Stream up library updated. This step is optional for those who wish to use the included point system. No, I'm not gonna use that now. You can find the information about this here. Hmm. Okay, so I added. Oh, can I ask what AAA projects you worked on? Uh, Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna get too specific into each project, but I did work for a couple of projects for Sega. Also worked for Sports Interactive, um, which is also a subsidiary of Sega. They did Football Manager and whatnot. I also worked for a couple of other for another company that was basically consulting AAA company for other major companies. For example, we worked for a couple of Bethesda games um and yeah, to name a few. Yeah, I've been in the industry for 20 something years. So yeah, I've worked for quite a few different companies. A lot of them not game development, but for the past few years, I my focus has been have been mainly game development. Um, yeah. I mean, it's definitely um, yeah. My experience and all the work I did that definitely gave me the freedom to explore and to do my own stuff. And yeah, I still do some consulting from now and then. Not often. Usually, when I have to do some consulting, I have to check with my wife. It's like because I mean I love what I do. If it was up to me, I would be on the computer 20 hours a day. It's just how it is. Like I just this is my work, my relaxing time, and everything. So I love it. But every once in a while, when I have like a consulting client or whatever that comes on, and I go and say to my wife, I say, "Hey, look, there's this consulting job. It's gonna pay this much, but I'm gonna need to invest some time on it, right? And because usually it takes time out of the family, and yeah, I mean sometimes we agree that it's a good thing. Sometimes it's not, but yeah, it's how it is. You should always share these types of decisions with your family. Shouldn't do everything by yourself. Yeah, because yeah, mean, we usually love what we do, so it's really easy to get lost. And, yeah. All right, hug. What's this comment? Oh, oh, there's a comment here called Dad joke. What happens? Yeah, sometimes they need to step back. Yeah, 100%. Let me see. Let's see how this is. So, dad joke. Huh. It doesn't really say. Huh. How do you do something? Oh. Command that joke. But what does it do? Source. Twitch message. Okay. But each command on its own line. Some commands. Okay. Action. Management. Add warning. Okay, basic commands from fun command. Okay, do I need to enable this also? So if I enable this, so now if I try again, that joke. Ah! What do one plate say to another? Did you know me? Nice. Now I get it. Okay. Now I get. Now I just spend some time kind of change title, stream up, currency, dice game, birthday. What does birthday? Birthday shout out. No. Follow, age, socials. Okay, socials is an interesting one. Basic commands is on the top. Socials update. Let's check out my socials. Check out my socials. Alright. So then if I can come in here. So for example, I have a lot of I can just say this. I'll check out my socials at here. Right? Okay. Check out my socials at there. Enable. So now, if I enable this command, I type here. There you go. Now you can just do this stuff, which I actually need to clean this up because I don't want my Godot stuff in here anymore. Hurts me to say it, but I do not want it. So indie page. Log in. Oh, look who's here. Look who's here, guys. Let's check. Hey, que foi? Saí? Vou lá com você. Tá? Espera só um pouquinho. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. 1 second. Hey, hello again. Where was I? Yeah, I was Jesus, agora. Quando você não. What about when you don't remember which email you used? Also not this one. Okay, let's keep going. Third one is a charm. This. Also no. Is it my own personal email? Is my personal email the one that I use to log into this? Oh, god damn it. Yes. Alright. Yeah. So it's okay. It happens. So I don't want to. I don't want this. I do now want this. These games are also out at this point. So Twitch, GitHub, each. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, this. Why? Okay. No weeks. Okay. Yeah, I think it takes a while for. Yeah, this is fine. All right. Yeah, and then. Okay, so where was I? I was here. So don't need this. It's crazy. Yeah, so socials is nice. So follow age. Follow age. Basic commands. Follow age. And a follow age info of home redeem. Unfortunately, I don't have ads yet because I'm not monetized. Up to you guys to help me out with that. All right. I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna play a new game. Play a game now. I actually wanted to buy a new game. A couple of games. They were here. I wanted to buy these two farm games. So I'm just gonna do that now. Anybody wants to pay for me? If you're free, now it's your chance. Oh, something went wrong with my bank. think I still have money. Yay. Yeah, so over time, near occur, blah blah blah. Travelers in Loma. So if we go here, yeah, and install these guys. Now install locally. It is installing. Cool. But yeah, I still wanna get the hang of this guy. So I went. Yeah, I installed the starter pack, but then there's all these other guys. Add basic chat commands. Add a Discord server Barker. Shout out. Do I have the shout out command? Shout out. Shout out. I do. Moderation. Enable this. And if I go to action, I have action queues now. Yo, if you like people to follow, then please do me a favor and give DPR a cool. Okay, so can I do a shout out to myself? Yeah, I'll get the hang of these guys once. I'm gonna bin this. I'm gonna stick it. I'm gonna stick it right next to this guy over here, so they're close together. And I'm gonna just get this link here. Just gonna add it to Twitch, and I can keep digging into these guys later on. I don't need to do this now. Oh, actually, let me test something on here. I don't know why my wife is still up, seriously. She was supposed to be sleeping. All right, let's play a little bit. Let's play some games. What are we going to play? I actually wanted to play that game I just downloaded, Luma. I wanted to play this. It's, mhm. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, thanks. Hey, Mike. I just saw your message. Hey, Mike. Yeah. Didn't catch your message live. Sorry. Um, cute. Yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah. He was. Yeah. This time, I'm trying to stream late at night, and um, he he's sleeping with my wife, and I. How do I say this? Oh, and from every once in a while he just comes down and checks on me. It's kind of cute actually. Oh, controller's better. All right. Does it mean the control? Yeah, my controller. Oh no, no! Oh, I screwed up. I wanted to go back to the character. I'm gonna have to start again. I definitely. Oh god damn it! Yeah, quit. Browser be saved. Yeah, sure, quit. Whatever. Delete. Yes. Let's start again. That one, the guy. Ah, that's how you randomize it. Okay. Let's. Okay, uh, I like this guy. Um. On a blue, really blue color. Yeah, the face. I like that facial hair. No, I like the big beard. I like the big beard's outfit. Oh, oh, this is cool. No, I think this is more like me. Accessory. I have a hat. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's me. Okay. Play story. Yes, let's play the story. Let's play the tutorial. Yo. Okay, Luma Island. Yeah, one thing that I noticed straight from the start, I'm definitely gonna use for my game. You can see that there's like basically no turning animation. He's either like, so you see like that a lot of games they have like the players walking in a direction, and then there's like a turn left animation, turn right animation, and stuff. This guy just is just like walking or stop, and then there's a little bit of blending between walking and stopping, but there's no animation from him going to the left or going to the right or anything like that. So this is it's pretty good. So okay, I got an axe for origin started too. Has the job done eventually. Okay, rotate the camera. Cool. It doesn't really matter because the camera is never behind the guy. Okay. No, I don't wanna. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now, oh, I can cut the grass with this. I can basically do everything with this thing here. What did I get? Oh. Okay. Oh, I got a bunch of stuff. Chop large fern. Okay, what do I need to do now? Oh, build a sawmill. Okay. I think to build. Okay. So the door to my thing is there. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Build a sawmill. Okay. Oh, I need. Okay. I took. Oh, now I have a pickaxe. Okay, that's cool. All right. What else? What's this stuff? Switch copy pair X with the hotbar. Okay. Oh, I need to. Yeah, I wanna break some rocks. Okay. Oh, there's a little. I wanna go in here. Oh, ooh, look at this. There's something over there. How do I get there? Mm. Mm. Oh, I found a bunch of stuff. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. Okay. Yeah, but do I? I don't really have a like a limit of stuff that I can carry, right? Doesn't seem like it. Um, yeah, doesn't really seem like it. Yeah. So here, I'm holding a big old. Pick up the kill drawing. Right, where is the kill drawing? There, there. Dah. Okay, pick up. Build a kill. Kill. Okay. What's this? Kill. Okay, can I put this over here? No. Here. This is fine. Let's go over there. Okay. Oh, I need more rocks. Let's go get some rocks here. Okay, I got two more. Let's get a little bit extra. Oh, rocks over there, guy. Build a kill. Okay, I'm building a kill. Calm down. Wait, chill. No. Okay, now I need, what is that? Crafting a sawmill. Okay. Craft. I'm gonna turn one log into one guy. Only have one. How many do I need? Three. So I need again. Craft. Oh. Yeah, but now I don't have a log anymore. Okay, now I have two planks. But now I don't have a log. I need to find another log. Oh, there we go. There's a log. Oh. Chop. Let's go chop this guy. Okay. Now I got three logs. Suck it. Yeah, so now I can come in here and craft this guy. Yeah, just build that shit. Yeah. Oh, okay. Don't need to be here. I can just give a task and go do something else. That's cool. I need to come here to pick it up. Okay. Now I have the stuff. Oh, okay. Now. Build a ore. This. need to. I need. What's that? Oh, charcoal and farm stone block ingredients. Oh, I need it. Okay. This. Okay. How many do I need here? 6. I'm not gonna have 6. I need 6 of these guys and I need ore. I need to find more of what, that shiny rock. Is that it? Oh, there's something over there. Oh, I got a bunch of stuff. All right. Yeah, but now I already have 3 more of those rocky things. No. Fuck. What am I doing? I'm stupid. Yeah, now I got more of these guys. What's this? Oh, salt. I bet this is going to be useful at some point, right? Okay. Yeah, let's go back there. Because I need to have 6 of those ice cube thingies. Where is it? Oh, it's all the way over there. Oh, there's another. It's getting night. And after this, I still need the ore, but that I bet I'm gonna find it down there. Okay, so I got that. Let's go down. Okay, yeah. I need some sort of a flashlight. Yeah, that's not gonna. It's this. It's copper. I need that other. I need that other thing. I need charcoal. Yeah, but it's saying that I'm gonna get charcoal somewhere in the down there. But, there. I think I saw something. Did I? Kind of like this game. Huh? Oh man. Hey. Hey, Mad Vortex. Really appreciate the follow though. Really. Yeah. Um. Yeah, I'm just playing this game though. It's what is called Luma Island. Yeah. It's a mix of farming and uh, and kind of adventure. By leaving the temple now, you lose all your lost on death items. Sure, whatever. Is it your game? No, no. I'm actually making a sheep hunting farming simulator game, but this one is not mine. I'm actually playing this game to kind of get some ideas, I guess, but um and right now I'm kind of lost because I need to find charcoal and I don't know where to find charcoal. I think I need to go to bed because it's like midnight and day. Yeah, let's end the day. Yeah, but yeah, how about you? How's it going? Yeah, I really appreciate the follow though. Really, can't stress enough. It's always the best way to support the channel, I guess, especially right now. Oh, hi. See, I need to find charcoal. See, I need to find charcoal. Oh, ingredients. Oh, okay. Okay. So if I go in, see, I'm being dumb. So then I can just. I have a bunch of those guys, so I can just use that. I thought I had to mine charcoal. Uh, any advice for newbies? Let's see. I mean, it depends on where you're starting from, man. I mean, I actually came to game development after having years of software engineering and development. I mean, best advice that I give to anybody, game development or not, is to build the base well, right? Build your knowledge base. What I mean, the knowledge base is, I mean, learn the basics of programming language, data structures, uh, information flow, and how a general purpose programming language would work, I guess, because that's gonna pay up a lot. You came from JavaScript to Godot 4. I mean, JavaScript is a great language, but it's also a very dangerous language, right? Because at the same time that, like, I don't know, 90% of the internet is developed on top of JavaScript or some variation of it. It's a language that basically allows you to do anything you want to do. Um, and but it's a language that has all the features that you would need. So yeah, if you feel comfortable enough with JavaScript and you're going to Godot 4, I actually did use Godot for a number of years. I've actually contribute to the even make open source contributions to the source code. There's a little bit of my code that is on Godot 4 that made it to Godot 4.3, but I ended up moving my personal projects to Unity, and actually Unity is I also use Unity on my day job and also on my personal projects. I moved away from Godot, although Godot is an amazing platform. They've been doing a lot of good things technically there, and the engine has been evolving a lot. But last year there was like just a lot of controversy on with the community management, and I didn't want to be a part of it, so I just left and went to Unity for my personal project. But Godot is great though. The language GD script, if you're using that, it's very similar to Python, very easy to use. The documentation itself is really good. Um, and yeah, I mean, I don't know. I could just talk for hours about tips, but I would probably just be all over the place. But I guess yeah, build your knowledge base, learn the basics, right, and how data structures work, how basic algorithms works, and because that's gonna be you're gonna be able to use that in any programming language or game engine that you go for. And in terms of game development specific tips, I guess a common one, but it is a true one, is I mean, don't try to build an MMORPG as your first game. Your first game is going to suck. So develop small games. Ideally, join a couple of game jams. This is going to be great for you. You're going to learn a lot how to start and finish a game. Um, and yeah, start small and just build your knowledge from there. Another tip that I could give you is just don't get stuck on tutorial hell, I would say. Right, I like to say that nowadays we actually live in this big tutorial culture, right, where people just they don't learn how to do anything anymore. They just follow tutorials blindly, and I watch tutorials all the time, but there's nothing wrong with that. But the thing is that if you want to watch a tutorial, you should watch a tutorial with like a critical eye, and you should just watch it even if you follow step by step to the end. After you follow step by step to the end, go back and tweak things around, change, make it your own to see if you actually understood. So don't actually just blindly follow, just try to understand what you're doing. That's another tip that I could give you, that it's I think it's immensely helpful. um with all modesty, I guess, because it's me saying, but yeah, um, yeah. And again, thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it. Yeah, 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 man. Like I see a lot of people just, and I hang out a lot on on game developer Discord, right? So I used to work a lot with Unreal Engine, so I hang out with I used to hang out a lot on the Unreal Discord. But the same in the Godot Discord, the two Godot Discords, and now they have two, right? Because they split it last year because of the community management thing. And I see all the time just people like, oh, how do I do this? And people are like, yeah, no, you need to. Do you know how to do this? You know how this works? You know how this library works? You know how to look for information in the documentation? And people are like, no, 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 I don't know anything. I just wanna step by step on how to do stuff. And that's what a lot of people just get stuck, and they just get stuck on just this tutorial hell where they just know how to follow steps. Yeah, yeah. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm glad to help, um and I don't know if I'm just talking too much because I can be all over the place also sometimes. Um, there's like, yeah, when you've been doing software development for this long as I have, you like information is just all over the place in your head. It's kind of hard to filter out what yeah. So visit the town hall. Let's see what we need to visit the town hall to begin your new life. So let's follow the arrow. There's something over here. Take. Ah, okay, cool. Mhm. Oh, and now I got a whip. Ah, look at this. Oh, spiders. Down. Oh, look what I learned today. Actually, I'm actually still setting up my stream. So I mad vortex. Boom. There you go. Big shout out to iMed Vortex. This is upgrade to. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Oh, I need a bar or something. Yeah, I today before you joined, I was actually learning how to configure this streamer bot thing over here. I'm just starting to stream now, so still configuring a lot of things. And yeah, one of the commands is the socials, the other one is the shout out command. Um, yeah. Oh, clip. Is there a clip already here, or do I need to make that command? Clip. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm still learning how to configure this stuff, but I saw like this starter pack which has a bunch of these guys. Most of them are still red, but I slowly I'm gonna start like getting mm, configuring all these guys. But for now, yeah. Whoa, whoa! You have 6,000 followers. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Any tip you may have for me, man, it'd be great. Yeah. Um. Yeah. This is pretty cool. Nice. What do you usually stream about? I see streaming a couple of games here. Oh, 5 years ago, but not anymore. Okay, got it. I'm a gamer developer. Oh, but you also do game development, or you're like let's say a regular? Oh no, you just talked to me, right? You said you study. Yeah, but what kind of developer are you? What do you do like for development? Buy and sell. Do I have? Oh, I don't have. Are you sure you want this drawing? Yeah, sure. Whatever. I want it. What's this? No, I don't need decoration. Visit the town hall. Where is it? Maybe here. Oh, there's a little spark for me to follow. Okay. I'm a app web developer in Maine. Yeah, that's nice. I actually did. Yeah, but switching to game development because that's what I had a passion. Yeah, that's. I mean, that's great. I mean, that's great. I actually made that switch in a way, right? I mean, I've been doing software development for 23 years now, 23, and I switched to the game development industry in the past 5 or 6 years. So it's definitely doable. Um, and in my personal opinion, I think it's great when you bring your experience from other fields to game development, because I actually feel that people that only work for game development their entire lives, they have a certain mindset, which I'm not the biggest fan. Yeah. First game right now with a friend of mine. He's doing the art and level design. Yeah, that's good when I mean split the tasks. I mean, if you're if you have a good relationship with him, I mean, working on game development. If you're familiar with, yeah, you're a gamer, right? So like, if you're familiar with Souls like games, yeah. So they say that game development is the, I could say, is like the bloodborne of software development. Because to be honest, game development is definitely, it's probably the most complex types of software that you can write. And I can tell you that I've written software, I've written iOS, I've written Windows applications, I've written web applications, API, backends, DevOps, and game development is way up there. Like even on my company last week, we had this project. We had the networking library. We were using Photon Fusion for it, and we decided to switch to netcode for game object, and that was a massive undertaking. We also had a, are you sure you want this profession? Cook, brewer, treasure hunt. Oh, let me choose archaeologist. I want to be archaeologist. Oh, difficulty. Yeah, let's first treasure hunter is fun. Uh yeah, so I was saying, like last week we had to switch networking libraries, and that was a massive undertaking, and we still managed to do it. We're still kind of working on it. But yeah, so like networking and game development is just super hard, man. But so yeah, so that's why I love it when people try to come from other other areas of software development into game development, because it's for me, it's definitely a big pro thing. So yeah, so this is what I was looking earlier today. So yeah, so you mentioned there is what did you say? You said that there was a command. So clip, clip. Oh, create clip. Oh, this is a method. Yeah, I can also program this stuff. So, yeah, I still need to dig into this. I'm gonna learn more about this later. Yeah, but Stream Elements. Yeah, I'm actually using Streamlabs. I don't know why. There's no reason, to be honest. I just when I was digging into it, I just chose one that looked friendlier to me, I guess. But that Stream yeah, Streamlabs also has a bunch of stuff. I don't know if it has a clip command. What happens if I type clip here? Yeah, nothing happens. Yeah, so maybe I have to configure that. But I'll definitely do that. I'll definitely look into it. Thanks for the tip though. I do appreciate it. Yeah. Let me. There's no music though. Let me add some music. What are we gonna listen to? No, I don't want to listen to it. Let's listen to Kilika. Kilika beats. Kilika beats. It's great. Yeah. Yeah, one other. I mean, mm, yeah, I think this is the time that I'm gonna keep streaming though, because I've been noticing that like even the people that I usually follow, although there is a lot of people streaming now. Like for example, now there's only one person streaming, and it's not even a developer. Is a gamer. Um, and if you look at people streaming, I mean, there's definitely a lot of people streaming software and game development, but at this time, usually if I come here during the day, there's like a bunch of these guys that are online, and now it's pretty much just me. Yeah. So. Yeah, time and consistency, right? I mean, you need to. One thing that I told this year that I was gonna be a more consistent streamer. I did try a couple of times in the past, but it's always got away from me. But this time I promise you. You know Yoko Taro? Have you played Near? Yeah, yeah. Wow, yeah. I played Near on PS4. That was awesome. Awesome game. I loved it. Loved it. Why? Yoko Taro. Yeah, the name wasn't strange, but he's the guy that created Nier, right? Oh, Nier was an awesome game. I loved it. Loved that game. But I did play that on PS4. I want to be him. Well, are you Japanese? I guess. Yeah, you don't need to be Japanese. Yeah, no, but dude, yeah, if I could create a game like Nier, that that would be just awesome. Is he? I played Automata. I did not play the Near Replicant. Did that came after? Near. I play Automata. I didn't play Replicant. Is this after? Yeah, we're about the same age. I'm a bit older than you, by the way, but yeah. Oh, this one came after. I didn't play this one. Maybe I need to play this one. I guess if you're saying one of the best games of your life, yeah, it's a backstory for Automata. Okay, so it kind of story wise kind of comes before, right? Is that it? Ah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, I might get this on PS5. Is this on PS5? Let me add this. Is that on PS5? Near Replicant PS5. Okay, yeah, I'll get it on PS5. Oh, on PS5, dude, look at the difference in price. It's crazy. For PC, it's 60 euros, and oh, this is still for PS4. Sorry. Just got a PS5. Want to revisit near games, but do they have for PS5 or is just a PS4 that I can play on PS5? I mean, I don't care. I don't mind. I could get this. It's 24 bucks. And it's fine. Why do they have this little number over here? Version. Oh, this the version. They have that on the. Yeah, okay. I got it. I got it. Yeah, no, but I'll. Yeah, thanks for the tip though. I'll definitely add that to my list. But I might get this one. See this. Uh, yeah. What about CD keys? They always have some sales near. Yeah, see, it's, yeah, I mean, I could get it. This is crazy. Look, you can get it on Steam for 60, or you can get it on CD keys for 21. You're gonna find out about it. Oh, I'm gonna find out. Okay. Yeah, backstory. Nice. Yeah, good stuff. I'm definitely gonna play that. Let me add that here. Can I add that here? Yeah, sure. Oh, you're gonna find out about the version. Oh, okay, I got it. That's why the number is there. It's interesting because it's also, I mean, some games they show the number but not as explicit like this. So yeah, probably has some meaning. But I remember Near Automata on PS4 was so much fun. I love that game so much. It's a really cool game. Yeah. Nice. A prequel to Near Automata.
Stay away from my sister.
Ooh.
My sister is
Ooh.
sick, and my only goal is to ensure that the two of us survive.
I'm tired of this world and everybody in it.
I won't just sit around and let you fight while I stay behind.
Don't get too excited. This is just some old legend.
With your power, we can cure Yona.
These swords of mine need a true home, but you'll do for now.
For so long, all I could do was destroy. But now, I have a chance to save something.
Oh shit. Yeah, I remember those things, yeah.
I'm gonna save you. I swear it.
Nice. Yeah.
Peggy 18.
Yeah, no, this is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna watch that. I'm definitely gonna play that. Yeah, for $20, maybe I'll just get it on the PC and play it with the controller. Why not, right? I mean, cool. Yeah, let's the music. Yeah, I did all the way to the end. I mean, no, I don't think I unlocked all the endings though. Yeah, when did I play Automata? It's been a while, so it's, yeah, of course, it's kind of hard to remember all the details, but I think I played. So, because I remember the company I was working for, because I was talking about it with a friend. So I played, it was 2018. I think it was 2018 when I played Automata. So it's been a while, but yeah. But I did play all the way to the end. I don't remember unlocking all the endings, but I did play all the way to the end. Yes. But I remember it was a really good game. It was like one of those games that you feel sad for finishing because you're not gonna get to play it anymore. You know? I remember getting that feeling with Nier, and you don't get that with every game. There's some really like beautiful games, and Nier is one of them. I think that you some games you're just relieved that you got to the end, I guess. In some games, oh, I finished. I remember I finished. Wait. Oh yeah, no, I remember I played quite a lot. Can I see my PS PS account? Let's see, PlayStation Network. I haven't played. Let's see here. Yeah, but 100 hours. You're talking about probably finishing all the stories, right? I don't think the game itself. Authentication code. I don't think the game itself once one ending was all that, right? Where is it? But I remember it took me a while though. Wait, I'm trying to log into my PlayStation Network to see. Sorry, I'm Google Authenticator here. Sorry, there are a lot of different codes. This is through my old phone. I haven't migrated to my Sony. There we go. Okay. Yeah, you should complete all the stories to unlock the main ending. That's what's related to Nier. Okay, let's check. So I'm in my PlayStation Network. How do I look at the history? PS4 games. No, let's see. Game Bibliothek. My PlayStation Network is in Dutch, so yeah, bear with me. Spelled. Nier is here. I played in 2018. But how can I? It doesn't tell me how long I stayed in it. At least not on the browser. Maybe if I log into my. Maybe if I log in the PC. In the browser, it doesn't say. It just says, yeah, see? Nier Automata. I played here. It doesn't really say how long I stayed on it. Or does it? And I don't know how to use this platform. Yeah. Anyway, I mean, I remember I finished. I don't remember. I remember it took a while, but like I said, it's been 6-7 years, so bear with me. My memory is not the best. But I mean, I trust you. I mean, there is the possibility that I might have not finished, I guess, because it's been 7 years, like I said. But I think I finished. But anyway, it's finishing or not was still really awesome game, and I'm definitely adding Replicant to my I'm definitely adding Replicant to my library, and maybe who knows, maybe I'll go back and play Automata again. Although 100 hours nowadays is going to be tough to to dedicate. But I mean, I can do it a little bit at a time, right? I can play the game over the course of a year, I guess. Um, but yeah. Anyway, this game was fun. I'm actually playing this. So the game that I'm making, I was actually making a progress bar here, but um. So yeah, so I'm basically making this game here, which is it's about a let me hide it here just so I can maybe show you a little bit. It's a sheep herding game about about just farm management sheep herding game. So I'm just getting started with this game. For now, what I did, to be honest, is that I did actually a bunch of research and wrote about a bunch of the mechanics that I want to have in the game. Did some assets research also, like a big brainstorming briefing. This is all me. I haven't really, yeah. I did some benchmarking on some other games that also has similar mechanics and whatnot. Hey, Ryosh Sud. Thank you for following. Appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Yeah. And well, one of the main things that I did. Yeah. So if I. So for now, the only thing that I worked is actually the sheep herding algorithm. You can see here that the sheep, they kind of get away from the shepherd, you know, and what they do is that they try to stick together. If they I still need to obviously to Ryo's fine. Thank you. Yeah. Ryo. Do you know when you said Ryo? I know it spells differently, but do you know what I remembered? I remembered this Ryu from Street Fighter. I don't know. Yeah. Um. Yeah. When you said your name Rio, I immediately went to this on Street Fighter, which is it's a compliment, I guess. But yeah, so I'm for now I'm just kind of adding some small stuff. You can see that it's still very rudimentary. So what I was doing now is that I created the flocking algorithm, the sheep herding, and I created the stat system, and also have a state machine. And now I was gonna add what I want to do is that I want to add like an energy bar where the player spends energy as he's walking. I get that a lot. Yeah, but do you look like him? um yeah, that would be funny if you were also like, I don't know, Japanese and you look like him. Is he Japanese? Is Rio from Street Fighter Japanese? Street Fighter. Now I'm curious. Rio is a character and a protagonist on the Capcom Street Fighter series. Introduced Street Fighters, Rio appears as a lead character alongside his best friend and friendly rival Ken Masters. Based on created. There's a backstory. I want a backstory. Created, design, portrayed. Who remembers this movie? This movie was amazing. Street Fighter from 1994. with Jean-Claude Van Damme as who was it? Who was he again? Which character was he? Yeah, guy with as Guile. That was awesome. I need to watch. I need to watch this movie again. Hey, hey, yeah, we got another follower. You the gnome. You the gnome. Hey, I appreciate it though. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. I don't know why it's not. I think I was supposed to blow up some stuff here in the middle. I don't know why it's not anymore. Alert box is here. I was supposed to show up right here. Anyway. Oh, I appreciate the follow. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, this is actually it's just a streamer app add-on. It's called Streaming Avatars. You can download it separately, but you can also use it. You can also download it on Steam. If you don't know, if most people don't know that Steam also has apps. So for example, I have Blender here with and they also have this streamer avatars. And basically you can configure a bunch of stuff, and it already has some out of the box, but you can also create your own and configure, so people go crazy with this stuff. So yeah, so basically what I do is that before I start the stream, I run this guy, which is this guy, as you can see here. You can't, yeah. Oh, this is the app, it's connected, and then I'll just set up the type of character that I want, and everybody, and there are some commands also that you guys can that you guys could type to make them do stuff. I can't remember which ones, but yeah, but thanks. But yeah, this is what I was working on. So now I was actually working on the progress bar. I don't want anything fancy right now. I just want something that the player can Oh, another cool thing that I added to this game is yeah, another cool thing that I added to this game is this, which I think is super useful. And so basically I added the possibility to write commands, right? And this is super useful because you can just add like commands to your code base, and that will like for example, I think I have that will just execute arbitrary commands during runtime. And I think for example here, I think in the flock, yeah, so add more sheep. So for example here, I think I have 5 or 6 sheep over there. So add more sheep, then boom, then I added more sheep. So this is super useful if you want to create quick test scenarios to the game that you're developing. So I think Mad Vertex, you're asking about game developer tips. This is one that it can save you a lot of time. This is an asset I use an asset called Quantum Console, which is quite popular on Unity. If you're doing this on Godot, I'm sure there's some that you can use over there. Yeah, Godot asset. I mean, if you're familiar with the Godot asset library, I actually have a couple of assets that are published over here when I was using Godot. The thing is that this is all free and open source, so the support is not as great as the Unity one. But if you type here console, see, you have a bunch of them. Yeah. Is that a console? Yeah. Yeah, it's like here, and I have a shortcut, so I type it, and then there you go, and then I can type any commands. And you can see here, like for example, I type add more sheep 10, and the only thing that I had to do to make that available is just I added this. So this is basically, let's say, like almost like a static method that can be called from the command console, right? And this is the name, and then whatever parameters you have here, it's going to, you can see here that it already reads the parameter and adds in here saying that it's like expecting a parameter, right? And yeah, there you go. So yeah, it's super helpful. And what I'm doing here is just from here, I'm just calling another function for my code that basically adds a certain amount of sheep, which is the same function that I basically called when on the start of the game. Yeah, it's a super helpful tip. If you're using Godot, like I said, come here to the Godot engine / asset - library and just type console here. You're gonna find a bunch of them. Just find one that you like it, I guess. I would go with the ones that were updated last, because there are a lot of things that are, because these are always open source and free. There are a lot of things that people just publish here and just never look at it again. But yeah, like you have here 4.3, 4.0, 4.3. This is already on 1.1. So for the GD console, yeah, see, it looks kind of the same as the other one, maybe a bit less fancy. Add an in-game debug console. This is exactly, see, this is pretty much what I have there. Yeah. But yeah, when I look for open source stuff that I'm gonna use, I always go in here. I always go to the GitHub and I look, okay, when was the last time that this guy updated? So the first time is like 2 years ago, and the last time was 2 weeks ago. Okay, so this is being fairly updated and maintained, right? Because a lot of times you will get something, I don't know. Let's take this. Take a look. So for example, you take this open source, but it was updated 4 years ago. You don't want to mess with this. Yeah, if it's an open source project that hasn't been touched in years, unless you want to maintain it yourself, you feel like you have the skills to do it, that's fine. But if you don't want to have the hassle of maintaining yourself, just don't bother. Just go. Yeah. Just look for something that is maintained. Because you don't want to have to worry about this. You wanna have to worry about developing your game. You don't want to have to worry about developing tools that are not directly related to your game. Most of the time, I guess. But yeah. With that, I know I didn't do a lot of game development today. I did some streaming configuration. I did some. I played some game. For research, we chatted a bit and chilled, and hopefully I get some useful tips. But now I think I'm gonna go because it's getting a bit late here, and yeah, usually and the stream is already at 2 hours and 20 minutes, so it's not bad. Let's see if I can. I actually added this feature today, which is credits. Let me try to roll some credits. There you go, credits. So we have new followers. You know, Rio and Mad Vortex. Thanks a lot for the. Oh, and we just got a new follower just now. That's amazing. Which unfortunately didn't show up in the credits. Can I do? Oh, oh man, yeah, we just got a new one. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's awesome. So we got Cena's Play. Oh, that's awesome. I told my friends to follow. Oh, thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate it. And I was just about to say goodbye, but now I feel like. Thanks. I feel like now I need to hang around for another 5 minutes. Hey, Cena's Play. I appreciate it. I appreciate the follow. I was just about to say goodbye though, but I guess I'll hang around for another 5 minutes. Of course, it's my pleasure. Yeah. Are you guys developers also like your friend, or are you guys just Discord buddies? I guess. Not yet. Yeah. Yeah, but I want to do here. I actually wanna create a manager here for me. That kind of. I want to call gameplay event handler. Hello, hey Sushian. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. I'm terribly sorry. I really didn't. Thanks for the following. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Yeah, I love to help out as much as I can. Really. I think I'm just gonna create this little class here. So basically, I do like to have these types of classes in my games. And for Godot, for you that work in Godot, this is like a ingrained pattern in Godot, which is the observer pattern. Yeah, right? In Godot, you guys use signals for everything, which is a great pattern to have. In Unity, it's not so much used, although I do love to use. So that's why I always create this gameplay event handler class, right? Which I basically, what I do here is that, like, whoa, Jesus, no. I hate when my code AI coder does everything for me without me asking. It's horrible. Signals are awesome. Yeah, so I basically use this guy as kind of the same thing. It's like having a signals manager register as an autoloader on Godot. If you're familiar with that already. When I was doing Godot, I used to have this like signal manager class that I would register as an autoloader, so then the signals would be available from anywhere in the game. So this is kind of the same thing that this guy is, but instead of being a singleton, what I do is that I actually just register the events, right, as like static events, right? So for example here, static event, and static event. So yeah, so then for example, okay, here action, and what I'm gonna call this? Do I need to? Yeah, and then action, and then I can just pass a int on player. For now, I'm just gonna do a hard-coded one on like energy changed, right? And then what I'm doing here is that system, yeah, there you go. And oh Sushan is the artist that's partnering with you. Oh, that's good. Yeah, let me see if I can find a piece of code that I actually, because I actually have a lot of my projects on I mean, all of my projects are on GitHub, but most of them, a lot of them are private, but still. Let me see if I can find one that I can share, at least here with you guys. So if I look, yeah, I have this project called Dream Runner. So this is a Godot project. So if you look at scripts, manager, signal manager, there you go. So this class signal manager, right? It just extends nodes. And then I just have this notation just to kind of keep organizing. And this, what I do is that I basically have here all the signals that I want it to be like available across the game. And I basically registered this signal manager as an autoloader class in the Godot editor. And that means that, like, for example, and then like if I look, hey, you just got a new follower. Can I ask a Unity question? Yeah, you can ask. I hope I can answer. And then since Signal Manager is an autoloader because I register with this name, you can just do this from wherever in the game, right? So then here I'm connecting, calling Signal Manager on this event, on the Signal Connect, right? And then, yeah, and then where am I emitting this from somewhere? Yeah, and here I'm emitting is the same thing. So yeah, so basically you create a Signal Manager class, register as an autoloader, autoload class, which is almost like a singleton. It's not exactly, but it's almost. And then you can just call it from anywhere else. So that's basically the same thing that I'm kind of want to do here. I want to try to do here. So I have this, I registered this internal static events here. And then what I do here is that I basically create this function. It's also a static function, which is player energy change. And I have this delta. And then from anywhere in the game, I can just do gameplay event handler dot play. And this is a static function, so I don't need an instance. And I call this and I pass the energy, which I still need to decide if it's a delta or if it's a final value. And I invoke this, and then from my UI I can just subscribe to this, and every time there is an invocation of this, I update my progress bar. So then, and you would use kind of the same pattern on Godot. Yeah, basically I actually have when I was doing Godot, I actually used to do a lot of tutorials on Godot, and I actually have a video on my YouTube. I'm not doing Godot videos anymore, but the videos are still on my YouTube channel. And you can find it over there. Let me see if I can find a link to that one. Actually, that video is one of my most popular ones, because that video is one of my most popular ones. A lot of people like that video. Yeah, auto load. Yeah, this. Yeah, I'm gonna need to take this, copy, save, share. There you go. Yeah. I mean, feel free to follow me also on YouTube. I'm posting different types of videos now, more like sharing my experience and whatnot. I'm not doing any Godot tutorials anymore. And obviously the streams, I'm also streaming to YouTube, and the streams, they usually are available on YouTube after it's done. Yeah. And hey, thanks a lot for the follow, for everyone that and supporting the stream today. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I think I'm gonna just roll the credits again, because after I got the after I rolled last time, I kind of got the thanks again thanks a lot, yeah, for subscribing also on YouTube. Yeah, and today was actually a really good stream. So yeah, we got Sinus Play, we got Sush Hyan, we got Udonom, we got Rio, we got Mad Vortex, and yeah, and for subscription we got Joe Verdom on YouTube. So this is really awesome to get this type of support today here. And it's getting a bit late for me. It's almost midnight. Tomorrow it's a working day, right? And again, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.